One of my missions in life is to knock the ambiguity out of everything, and we've made the business of equity too complicated. Equity isn't complicated. Here's how I define equity, and I urge you to agree with me on this. Equity, providing every student what they need, when they need it, with urgency to master essential learning outcomes. That's it. Too often, we try to make it too much, too esoteric, too ambiguous. Again, I want to go from the head to the hands, providing students what they need when they need it with urgency to master essential learning outcomes. That's what equity is.